Hello everyone, welcome to our new video today. I'm going to introduce our the new products. This is food processors, cutter, and this is 3-liter units. And when we take a look over all the units, we can see they're having a cap on top, and this one. And when you open it, they come with some accessories. And this one have a screws right here to mount, secure the right positions. We will touch on it. And the inner side, they do have a blades. We can see they have a 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of blades. And also for this bowl, it is about like a 304, the food grade stainless steel. Pretty nice, and capacity is about like 3 liters. And for measurements, the diameter of this bowl is about like 7.5 inches diameters. And the depths, they are almost about like 6 inches deep. Entirely the height of the units, they are about like 10.5 inches tall. And also the units using the standard 110 plugs, these are connectors. That will be the all demonstration information about the products. If you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.